Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated.
Good morning, Hopewell. I'm Alan, and I'm hosting this week's Morning Buzz. Today is January 5th, and it is a C Day. Hopefully everyone enjoyed the long break. Only a couple more months left. The social emotional initiative for January is to be strong and persevere, so even in the face of adversity, stay strong and achieve success. Next, we have some information on a great new club that has started here at CHS.
CHS is putting together a girls' hockey club with a vision to get on the ice and play. Beginners are encouraged to join and experienced players are welcome too. The club meets in room 308 every Tuesday during lunch, and if you are interested in learning more, scan the QR code on the flyers in the halls, or you can email Miss Miggs and the student advisor Sierra Chow at the addresses you see on the screen.
If you're interested, I encourage you to join. Are you looking to improve on your 2023 self? Here are some New Year's resolutions. I'm here with
Mr.
McGinley.
And what are your New Year's resolutions?
My New Year's resolution is to start a new morning routine.
Mine is to not stress about the Eagles anymore because the season's over.
No idea. I'll figure it out one day.
Make the swim team swim faster.
I love that.
I'd like to be the next principal of this school.
The time of lawlessness is over. The fun is done. I'm back.
I love that. Watch out, Miss Riley.
Learn to finger knit.
That's interesting.
Definitely to keep my room clean.
To keep up my good grades.
Not to procrastinate. To do well in history class.
To make more toys than last year.
I love that, Santa.
New Year's resolution?
I'm trying to win the CYO chip this year. St. James, bring it home.
Same here. We got to bring it home for St. James. Coach Foster's 5th one, annual.
We're bringing it home. We're bringing it home.
Let's go!
Hopefully everyone had a jolly New Year. Ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes in our CHS kitchen? Karina gives you an inside look.
Hi, my name is Karina, and today we're going to get a behind-the-scenes look at our cafeteria.
Few people have gone beyond the hot plates and deli windows, but today we got a special look at the kitchen, storerooms, and cooks behind Hopewell Valley Lunch. Arriving as early as 6 a.m., our Pomptonian food service workers begin a set of duties in order to prepare for the day's lunch, where they will serve hundreds of food items to the student body. Inventory is checked in the walk-in refrigerators and snack rooms, while others start the food assembly process, doing everything from making sandwiches and salads to baking cookies. Later, hot lunches are fried and packed in bags to be easily grabbed, and produce is cut to ensure that a wide variety is available at our farm stand. Refrigerators are restocked, snacks are put out for purchase, and dishes are cleaned. Soon enough, it's lunchtime, and duties are separated between serving food and operating the cash register. Our food service workers offer lunches in both the old gym and the cafeteria, working swiftly and efficiently to ensure that all students are able to enjoy a fulfilling meal.
Not enough credit is given to our hardworking staff, so next time you stop in to buy a fresh wrap or a side of vegetables, make sure to thank the people behind the food.
Now it's time for the first movie mystery of 2024.
Phil? Hey, Phil? Phil? Phil Connors? Phil Connors, I thought that was you.
Hey, how are you doing? Thanks for watching.
Hey! Now don't you tell me you don't remember me, because I sure as heck fire remember you.
Not a chance.
Ned! Ryerson! Needle Nose Ned, Ned the Head? Come on, buddy, Case Western High. Ned Ryerson, I did the whistling belly button trick at the high school talent show Bing. Ned Ryerson got the shingles real bad senior year, almost didn't graduate. Bing again. Ned Ryerson, I dated your sister, Mary Pat, a couple times until you told me not to anymore. Well?
Ned Ryerson?
Bing!
Bing.
Last week's movie mystery was The Grinch.
I came to invite you to be Holiday Cheermeister.
Holiday who be whaty?
Cheermeister.
Huh?
Cheer mice. Celebrate with friends.
That's all for today, people. Have a wonderful weekend, Bulldogs.